To be fair to children, it's important that they have this access, not depending on their status. The Quebec government says they're ready to go to the Supreme Court to prevent asylum seekers from sending their children to CPEs and subsidized daycares. Quebec is appealing a recent judgment from the Court of Appeal, which confirmed the right of asylum seekers to benefit from child care services, ruling it would be discriminatory to deprive them of this right.
We thought that this super long legal battle was finally over after winning twice. So going into appeal for us is, again, probably another year of legal fights for a population that really just deserves to be able to go out of their homes and work.
Quebec says it is sensitive to the situation of asylum seekers, but says the daycare system already lacks space, adding that private daycares can be an option. It was impossible to pay the price of a private daycare, and my wife and I are trying our best to study French. This man is a refugee claimant, and he came from Colombia in October 2022 to escape violence there. Not having our daughter in daycare is really hard for the whole family to be able to schedule and advance in the steps to integrate. At the School Service Center of Montreal, the CSSDM, it's all hands on deck to enroll immigrants. They say they're close to a crisis as the demand to get into welcome classes has tripled in recent years. This comes as the Quebec government once again called on Ottawa to reimburse them for costs incurred for receiving asylum seekers to the tune of $1 billion, adding that the influx of migrants is putting pressure on public services, especially in education. We're getting to a point of saturation where we wouldn't be able to welcome new students. If next year we're continuing in the same path as this year and last year, we risk a breakdown because we can't recruit enough personnel and we have an issue with the capacity of our schools. The CSSDM sees up to 100 students coming here every week and enrolling. Since the start of the school year, we've had to add 88 welcome classes. If it continues, we'll have to add another 80 classes by the end of the year.
We visited last year as well for a welcome class. So this year he will going to start. So we got an appointment here.
He didn't speak French, and so I came here to welcome class.
The government needs to do more to satisfy the demand.
It's a need to invest a little bit more than in the past to be able to have those family function in our system.
Every day, my 3-year-old wakes up and asks if she can go to daycare. In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.